Alright, after you make a freaking mess, it does use a lot of them. Welcome to Vintage Vittles. Tonight we're going to be making sesame balls. Sesame balls were a favorite treat of mine back in the day. We'd always go out on like special occasions down to West Palm. We'd go to a nice Chinese restaurant, like an authentic place, and I'd always get sesame balls for dessert. And there's just good memories in those sesame balls.
You're about to have better memories than these balls, kid.
Oh god. Yeah, I found a pretty cool recipe online. Traditionally they use red bean paste, but this recipe uses prunes and lemon juice. So first up, you're gonna add some hot, not boiling water, about 1.5 cups, and let these puppies soak for about 20 minutes. Bet you're wondering what I'm doing. I'm starting the flour, or the actual wrapper for the sesame. You're just gonna want to get glutinous rice flour, sweet rice flour. It's also called mochiko, I think.
You sure it's not glutinous rice flour or not gluttonous?
Glutinous?
Like gluttonous is an adjective.
Anyway, two tablespoons of glutinous rice flour and a tablespoon of water to that 2 tablespoons of rice flour. So you're gonna keep on kneading until this all comes together.
Kind of looks like saltwater taffy.
So basically what you're trying to do is make like a starter ball. So you're gonna knead it a bit, flour up your hands, and then try and roll this into like a ball, basically. And we're gonna add this to our mochi later, our main mix, to get it started. This next step is pretty complicated. You're gonna put some water on the stove and boil it. Alright, now that our water's boiling, we're gonna go ahead and add our little ball of dough and let it cook for about 3 minutes. You wanna keep it rolling and moving during this time, like I'm not doing. You'll tell when it starts to get cooked because it'll start to look translucent instead of a solid white. Take a little dumping buddy, let them chill in the ice bath. And for about 3 minutes. I'm gonna start mashing these prunes into a paste. I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of sugar. I'm also gonna add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now this is the cool part of this recipe for me. Traditionally sesame balls are deep fried. You know, there's sesame on them with their oil, the deep fry oil. There's not a lot of acid going on, and I think that's what the lemon is gonna add to this. It's gonna bring out a little bit of brightness from the paste. This is the part actually where the recipe says to blend, but we don't have a blender. So I'm gonna try and do like a mash.
Wait, stop talking, I need this sound.
Oh yeah, who needs a blender? Screw that, look at this, it's almost a paste. This is gonna be the filling of our sesame balls. So yeah, we're gonna cover that and let that sit in the fridge for about an hour, and we're gonna make everything else in the meantime. Now we're gonna start on this main mix. 7 tablespoons of sugar, good God. Half teaspoon of baking powder. All right, so that, we're gonna add 1 1/4 cup of our glutinous rice flour. Now here's the fun part. We're gonna add this cooked dough. Yeah, and it's gonna be the starter, right? Break it up a bit. All right, and to this mix, you're gonna slowly add 1/3 cup of water. There we go. That's that sticky mess I'm looking for. It's raining.
Men?
Mochi. Yeah, men. We really want to be careful to really flour your surface here. The mochi dough should start coming together. It won't be as sticky. I was gonna roll that into a ball, but I mean, it doesn't have to be super accurate, you know. Behold, ball. Now, behold, pancake. We could probably do like double that. Alright, note to self, guys. Make sure these divots aren't too thin.
Oh, this one went really well. Behold.
Oh, good job, Dan. A 2-step process. Dip, roll, and cover in sesame seeds.
Beautiful.
Deep golden brown, deep golden brown.
In their natural habitat. It's like it's more like flaky than a croissant almost. It's not flaky isn't the right word.
I don't know if I can go that far.
You touch it.
Alright, enough talking.
You touch it and it recoils at the touch.
The people want to know. Does it taste good? Oh my god, just...
Oh, does it taste good?
That's pretty good.
It do. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see me juggle these balls.
Well, he doesn't do it every night.
No, try and keep a rhythm to it, so it's like.
Again, porn director Dennis. Good lord.